Yellow. What's up, everybody? Doing a little game dev tonight, as usual. Yeah, so I think a lot of what I want to do tonight is just kind of fix up a couple things in our UI. Also, I want to get this page like fully wired up. This is like mostly functional, this scene, for like rebinding the controls in the game. Like if I were to run the scene right now. Eventually it will run. But there's no way to get to this menu currently, so that's cool. I also want to put in a main menu and partially wire up stuff we have for the in-game menu in there. This is weird. The aim button is not this, I don't think, at least. And that's also not right, at least it shouldn't be right. Unless it got borked up, which is possible, I guess. Anyway. I should kind of forget how this works in general. Maybe that's the first thing we should wire up, is getting this, this controller binding menu somewhere. We need to refresh my memory on how this even works. So we got input mapper .cs. Wherever that lives. Not even sure now. I would have assumed it was under, like, game UI. Or if not that, then, like... maybe it's under data? Nope. Okay. What the heck is the script? What? Oh, yeah. It is under game UI. Why doesn't that exist in the project, then? Or over here. Oh my gosh! I think it was there all along. Sure was. Awesome. Alright. So, right, we got our default controls, and that's just a config file that's included with the game that's used for resetting it back to default. Turn that down a little bit. Thank you, OBS. That's what I wanted to open you up to. Nah, that's fine. Okay, good. Right. And then we store this on the user settings. In fact, let me go find that right now. Oh, man. I know that this, like, stores it in a weird spot, when you're not, like, running a build of a Godot game. Like, normally you would just have, like, your company name or whatever. Actually, maybe it is under that. It might not be under roaming, it might be under, like, local low or something. Goon Soft. Goon's House of Doom. That's not right. Alright, back to the Godot folder. No, there's not one in local low. I guess maybe it could be in local. I guess maybe I should go look this up, because this is how I usually find it, as like... let's go Google it, and then... okay, there's a Godot folder in the local folder. There's no Goon Soft folder over here. These are just shaders, though. Alright. Godot user directory. File paths and Godot projects. Perfect. This is what I was looking for. App user data / project name. Really? Oh, not... Wait. I'm not sure what app data is. So that's... yeah, okay, that's right. So roaming, presumably, then Godot, then what? Oh, app underscore user data. Okay. Ah, I didn't look in there. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Found it. Are there 2 Goon's House of Dooms? Alright, so settings, controls, config. I got my config file. That is encrypted. What? Oh, not .config, .cfg. Nope, that's also encrypted. What the heck? Why did I do that? You may never know. Why are you opening this over here? Windows, come on, man. Work with me here. Oh, this song's too quiet. Let's put on a list of, like, chill SNES soundtracks. Okay, well, I found it. How am I saving this file? Like, what am I doing with this? What do I put in here? Honestly, this just reads better. Why did I even do it this way? File.getVar, true. Allow objects. So I guess we, like, write a file in there. I guess save controls config also is what I need here. Right, so make the directory first, then open that with write flags. Store file.storeVar. I don't know why I did it this way, but it does work. Just can't read it. It's fine. Actually, might want to consider doing that with the save, like the game save data, because right now, like, it's a JSON file that you just save to the text file, because I copied my old Unity code and then converted it to work with the file access that you use in Godot. But that's not what we're here for tonight. I just needed to refresh my memory on how this works. So this certainly seems like it should work. I haven't used the controller a while in my game. Let me see, like, it's actually using the wrong controls. So far so good. Let me get the gun. Equip. Nope. Yeah, aim is not some random button. I don't know why that page is all wonked up. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's using the wrong, the wrong inputs for it. Or like on the UI page itself. It's not responding to those. Which ones was it? Like it's showing the same like control multiple times is what I'm saying. Right, so move left, secondary controller binding. Oh, actually, a lot of these are, like, messed up. Maybe I need to go look at this again. So yeah, it's saying move right is left. And also up. What if I hit reset the default? Hmm. It's... Hmm. Let's see if that broke anything. I mean, it's still working. Whoa. Accidental quick turn. Yeah, nope, everything is still correct. It does feel like I am slowly turning left when I press up, but that actually might be joystick drift. Because yeah, when I very carefully push it straight up, it is just going up and not to the left at all. Okay. Actually, the weird thing about that is I don't even know how that works rebinding wise, because the controller stuff. Yeah, it's like it's loading the information in wrong. Okay, well, what happens when I click reset to default? What's that doing? Reset to default controls, which is something in here. We're not getting an error, so the file exists. I mean, I also saw the file while I was perusing through the file structure. Then load controls from file and init remappers. Oh, I see. Yeah, so control remap button is each of the individual buttons where we set stuff. Binding type, what is this? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Ah. Oh, and then controls is the actions, so that would be like... which thing? Set text from map. Again, we're not seeing any errors when I open this, I think. Let me double check that. Nope, no errors. All of it's working. Okay. Well, this is the kind of bug fixing I was looking to do. This is a UI bug, and now we're fixing it. That's funky. So it calls back to the input mapper to figure out what that button does. Okay. So the pardon me. So this dictionary is how all of that stuff gets set. And given that the reset the default seems to be resetting stuff correctly, let's just look at these to make sure. Like, I don't think this is wrong, but yeah, so this is going to be secondary for the left button, and this is the tertiary left button, secondary for the right button, tertiary for the right button, secondary for confirm, on aim. I mean, even like the keyboard controls are not recorded correctly from what it's loading in here, which is very strange. And the game should be loading in this config file like when you start it up, so if I mess it up while running just this individual scene, I should know when I go back to the main scene, because it's physically saving a file on my hard drive that it should, in theory, be loading when it loads initially. No, wait. That's wrong. It doesn't do that. It's... okay. Hold up. Reset to default controls. So to load controls from file and init remappers, which just calls the stuff to like update the UI of all of the buttons that show what the controls are. Okay. So it doesn't actually save a file at that point. I think it should. Like, I think it should save... Yeah, it should call save right now. Because you want to reset the controls and save that. Where else do we call this? Update it. So every single time you update one of the bindings, it saves to the file, which it should. It's good. You know, I'm starting to think that I may have actually just... Maybe I'm not reading the config file in the main game. So we'll get that done too after this. So then we'll actually connect the menu somewhere so I can do it while playing the game. You know? Details. Yeah, so I think what's happening is I set some override for the controls, and that does... It's like it's probably loading them correct. I think everything's functioning as it should. It's just the game itself is not affected by my alternate controls that I set up, and also I messed up when I set up the reset default controls because it doesn't update the file, which it really should. Right, so we call it when there, we call it when there, and then we also call it when load controls config. Oh, right, yeah, so that would just be like if the file's not there. And it's going to save the controls map, which... what if this doesn't... Okay, I'm ready. We go through every single one. I'm kind of not vibing. Like, don't get me wrong, I love me some Zelda music, but it's not, this is the recommendations. Nostalgic Nintendo songs playing in the other room. I don't know, this isn't the vibe. Let's do relaxing video game music in a cozy room, parenthetical, Nintendo 64. The fucking disk drive boot song, cool. There's so many, like, game soundtracks that have been, like, meme-ified. Like, the first song I played tonight, that Earthbound song, that's been a fucking meme song for, like, ever. This as well. Damn Zoomers stealing our nostalgia. I don't know. The Mario 64 slide music is now... I blame Mario Maker for that one. Same with the Sunshine, the, like, whatever the Sunshine song they put in Mario Maker 2 was. This doesn't feel right. So, like, this will just start building the map based off of... Oh, okay. Actually, this does kind of make sense. This will start building the map based off of what's in the default input map. Which is fine. And okay, I'm like making myself freak out now. Wait. What's the path for it? Res data default controls, okay. Yeah, okay, this does exist. It's probably, hopefully not an empty file. I'll show you what's in it, but it's literally nothing. Actually, I don't know how this is going to try to open this, so I don't know, we'll leave that alone for now. I mean, I can show you guys what the file looks like here. I mean, it's not going to be exactly the same, but yeah, it's just a bunch of, like, specialized characters because of the way it stores when you tell it to do that. It's got too loud. Okay, yeah, I should have just trusted myself. I know I got this stuff working initially on my own, and then I was like, oh, I haven't touched this in a while, so I don't know if this works, but it does, just in a weird state, because we're not actually using the control mapping anywhere. Right, so this is really just here to set the initial controls map if it's not already existing, just so we can save the default controls if we need to. Wait. So this only gets called from the init here. Man, this is like breaking my brain for some reason. I don't think I set this up in the best way. And honestly, this is cool in terms of like pulling in the input map and all that, but I really only needed this to like get the config file for the default controls. Now that I have that file, I shouldn't need this code anymore. So let me move this to like a method that I could just delete it outright. But, having said that, we do need something to initialize this if the file doesn't exist. So this won't matter here because we actually have the file, so we'll be able to load it from the file. Oh, wait, no. So we never actually... Huh. Ah, I see the problem. We need... we need this... we need this logic. Not so much to, like, pull the default values from it, but just so that we know what the controls are, so we know what to read from our saved file. Alright. Well, in that case, load input map keys. Load input map keys. Oh, this is just some magic logic I have to figure out whether this is tertiary, primary, or secondary. It worked, though. But it worked, though. I also have some, like, nonsense in here to clean up, like, random strings that just make the controller mapping harder to read. Okay. Load input map keys is our first order of business here. Just makes it a lot easier to like read too, which is nice. And then load controls config. Once again, I'm gonna reverse this. I don't like this. It's a really simple like if else going on here. Yeah, if it exists, load it from here. Else. I think what we should do instead of just immediately saving, we should do load from file default controls file path, and then save controls config. Actually, not even that, just because reset to default controls will do the same thing. Although this also does extra stuff, right? Because this will call the remappers again, which is going to do anyway. But, whatever. So it'll duplicate itself, that's fine. Oh, crap. So if I add more buttons, I mean, I guess we haven't added like an extra button for anything yet, but I will need to update this again, which is fine. I mean, I guess I could also just call init remappers in the success case down here. Okay. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Let's see. Literally nothing's going to change from all that. I've just cleaned up some code. Oh, well, and also, if you don't have a pre-existing config saved, it will load a new one in for you. Yep. Still looking weird like it was before. Oh, right. One more thing. Just want to hit reset to default. And now if we reopen it, it should have the correct controls in there. Yep, there we go. But once again, if I were to just start putting other buttons in here... Oh, right, this actually... I forgot I did this. Yeah, it'll only take controller input. Oh, I really screwed this up. Okay, well, that's probably another thing to look at then. Oh, I should check the logs. Maybe there would have been some info there. So that should all be saved. Yep, we're good. Cool. Once again, we reset it, now it should be fine. How did I set this font? I'm sure this is not part of the theme. Yeah, there we are. Doesn't need to be that gigantic. Like... The word exit's just scary because it's like, am I gonna exit the entire menu? Like, what am I doing? Maybe just back. Yeah, back is good. Well, then I don't need it to be smaller, but... Details, details. Okay. Now what the hell did I do that, like, broke the button? I need to reproduce that. Is it just clicking on, like, 2 buttons, maybe? That's all it takes. Click on this, then click on this. Now I hit a button. No, it still processed that. Was it hitting the exit? Well, no, that worked that time. I click on something else and then hit exit? No. Press buttons, then escape. No? Oh, I double-clicked the button, I think, maybe. Yeah, that breaks it. Okay. So that second click will mess it up. This is deselecting it, I guess, but... What do we call again when you click the button? Nothing. What? How? How is that possible? Oh, I think I actually programmatically set the signal. That's crazy. Set unprocessed handled input. Okay, what is this? Enables unprocessed input handling. This is not required for GUI controls. It enables the node to receive all input that was not previously handled, usually by a control. Enable automatically if Unhandled input is overridden. Any calls to node ready will be ignored. Toggle mode equals true, and that's going to be the base button, yeah. Okay. Toggle. Oh, okay, so it's kind of already handling this. It's just when you click again, it needs to successfully, like, unclick the controller binding listening. Just not doing. Cancel binding, there we go. Which I think... What else do I do when I do that? Maybe they have a method I can already call. Okay, let's turn this into a method. Let's put it down here, because why not? I don't know why I didn't copy it, or, you know, just use a hotkey to extract that into a method. But you know what? Whatever. Is there anywhere else I'm setting button press to false? Here. Oh, right, here. Yeah. It's literally why I was creating this method. Anywhere else? You. What are you doing? Okay, but you don't want to cancel input. This is when you've actually got input to process. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's why I have that set unhandled input thing. It's because I'm doing all this stuff where I'm just, like, waiting for any buttons that are pressed and, like, processing it to, like, capture the input. And I'm pretty sure if I don't know. Oh, yeah. No, anything that gets pressed. Gotcha. Ooh, okay. Somewhere in here it checks, like, is this... Oh, yeah. If it's primary and the type is primary, yeah. Blech. Blech. This is just, like, testing, like... it's so you can't, like, set keyboard buttons in the controller column and vice versa. It's kind of unnecessary, but I don't know. I like it. Alright, now clicking it twice should properly, release the awaiting input. It didn't. God damn it. So if it's the cancel button, it does work. Oh, well, I guess let me make sure that that still works. I didn't break that somehow. Of course that still works. What the heck? Oh, now that's really funky. It's like a triple click is when it's fucking... Getting somewhere. I know what this problem needs. A beer. Get out of there. These cans are like horribly crushed. I don't know what happened to them. The beer is okay. So... Input mapper is locked. Button is pressed, and input mapper is locked. Wait, I don't want button press, right? Set unhandled input. Oh, right. So you want to... Yeah, okay. We want to process unhandled input when the button is clicked. And not when it isn't. Okay. Oh, look at that. I even did different text. I didn't notice that. Or I forgot about that. We want not button pressed here specifically, I think. Or maybe we don't even care. Like, it should just be like... Ugh. That's the issue, though, for sure. That fixed it. One thing I'm worried about, though, is I can't, like, press the buttons by pressing enter. Oh, maybe that's not even... Oh, that's not the right button, that's why. It's a weird side effect, but I guess I'm okay with it. Pressing the... So, in this area, pressing the spacebar button, since that's, like, the confirm button, that undoes the button because you're technically clicking it again. But if I did it over here where it's actually listening for keyboard input, it would probably set this the space bar. Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's funky. I don't like that at all. What the heck? Okay, that's another bug. Man. We're just chock full of them tonight. So I'm binding this thing, and pressing a keyboard input is like updating this one. I guess this is still pressed and listening. Actually, yeah, both of these are pressed currently. What the heck? Refusing to bind input because it was from type primary, but the button is for type secondary. But also setting action right primary to Z. So yeah, multiple of them are like active now. I'm not sure how I made that happen. It could be the spacebar specifically. No, not the whole game, damn it. So if I go in, activate this, click it off, and go bind over here, press a button. Yeah, okay, so it's not just that. And then this also, well, okay. Partially makes sense because we never actually, like, unpressed this button. So if I do this, now we've set it normally. No, it's still on it. Why will you not let go of that? Interesting. So the only time we set unprocessed input is in the toggled. Why? Why? Oh, does toggled get called? All right, let's see. Hoping binding type. Yeah, okay, that's the one I'm looking for. I'm wondering if toggle just naturally gets called as the binding completes, because then this is going to cause all kinds of havoc. If so. That code's just not right in general, if that's the case. Right, so go here. We'll just put a valid key in. Then we go here. Press that. Oh, I didn't check the thing I actually wanted to see here. Oh, also that needs to, like, go and unpress the buttons. Dang it. This really sucks. Alright, so we're going to toggle move right primary. And then we're going to press a key. And hopefully that doesn't call toggle twice on it. Nope, it does. Yeah, so it's, That's tough. Yeah, this might have actually been here not so much to untoggle it when you click it, but so that it cancels stuff out properly afterwards, I think. Oh, the joy of, this stuff. And we're not getting an error, so this isn't firing off. Oh, also current action's probably not null. Oh, right. Man. I do not like music in DK64. I don't know what my problem is. I think it's because I just don't like that game in general, but... Wait, this is Smash Bros? What the heck? Did I read that right? Oh, the all clear screen on Smash Bros. Huh. Alright, erase event, add event, yep. Button pressed is false. Release focus. Oh yeah, calling release focus is probably invoking the toggle. Then update binding, yep. Okay. Ooh. So... That's weird. Godot, button, release, focus. Or, I guess, what is this under? This might be under, like, general UI element. Yeah, control. Godot, control. Release, focus. Please explain yourself and what you do. Give up the focus. No other control will be able to receive input. That's what it says right here also, I guess. That got me nowhere. So... This just gets weird when you're, like, clicking the button again. So maybe we just need to, like, explicitly not let the player do that? Okay, yeah, this is just... We can mess with button pressed to, Or is that the thing that's calling toggle? No, because it would get stuck in, like, an infinite loop if that were the case. No, wait, no, that's right. does result in the base button dot toggle to be emitted. Jeez. What other signals do I have at my disposal here with a button? Button up. Pressed. Emitted when the button is toggled or pressed. This is on button down if action mode is button press, and on button up otherwise. You need to know the button's pressed state, use toggle mode is active, and use toggled instead. So yeah, that's not what we need. Now does button down and button up work with toggled, I wonder? The problem is, it's still probably going to emit the same signal when we change that, when we manually change the variable. Here, how would I check this out? Let me go to the docs for buttons. Base button. Yes, okay. I think we can disable the button. Can't be clicked or toggled. Perfect, and then we'll just only toggle it from code. Okay. Not the most ideal... Actually, you know what? It kind of is the most ideal solution here, because as the player, I don't know what the fuck you're expecting if, like, the button's, like, halfway through something. I'll keep this debug statement here for the moment, because this is, gonna help us trace the events. Oh, also, I guess, might as well put the state in here. Cool. Oh, this return is actually exactly why this other thing's happening. Yeah, I think I just don't need this line. Like, this is what would help me, with the, like, visuals of unpressing it. But, like, it either needs to, like, fully bubble up the event chain to, like, keep things visually consistent, but the fact that it was returning early, it never calls this set unprocessed, so that's why the other column was still processing input even though we were done with it. So that'll be fixed now. We just broke other stuff, so what we need to do instead is, when it's pressed, disable the button. Actually, you know what would be even better? Okay, yeah, always set this, and then if the button is being pressed, do this. Otherwise, because it's always going to come through here whenever we set the toggle state. Ooh. Input mapper dot... Well, we don't necessarily want to cancel the binding, because I think, that's all that does, though. It just stops it from awaiting input. In fact, I don't even know what the hell awaiting input is used for. Oh, I do know what it's used for. It checks, there's like, is locked. Yeah, you just return that. And we're not even using is locked now, right? Yeah, that's... that's all nothing. We don't even need to call that. Yeah, and then we just call set text from map. We'll just call that back up here. Oh, you know what else I do is when we call input mapper.update, that I think, yeah, that releases the awaiting input, yeah. Which makes sense, but whatever. I don't know that we need release focus here. In fact, I think that might actually screw up the controller usage in this, like, page. And then the way I've set this up, we should not need set text from map anymore in here, so we're not going to call it there. Where else do we call this? Oh, on init, yeah. Init. Cool. The only other thing we need to do now is when the reset all button is clicked, we need to go unpress every button that's in the thing. And actually, I guess we can do this, right? In init, we can call button pressed false. That works. That actually fixes that. Okay, did we fix everything? Let's see. So this should make this unclickable once I do this, right? Okay, press a button. But if I press... Okay, so I cannot unselect it with any type of controls. If I press escape, we're back. I can do it again. The only thing is it makes the text look gray, but we can fix that by updating the UI theme, I think. Okay, that works. You can still bind controls. And now do the reverse of our last test. Okay, don't find anything there. Go back over here, press the keyboard button. Doesn't do it. Perfect. I can bind a keyboard control though if I want. And I can't anymore over here. And if we press reset to default while we're over here, boom. It unpresses the button, resets everything. Nice. Alright. Phew. Well, that only took an hour to get this screen working. That was already mostly working on its own anyway. Cool. At some point I need to make my UI look nice. Oh well. There's something very, like... What's the word I'm looking for? It's that, like, aesthetic where you have, like, every piece of, like, the canvas is used. For this screen specifically. It's also dumb as hell, but, you know, it's neither here nor there. Oh, does this work at different resolutions? Oh, I can't even change them on the fly. Well, we'll test it once we get it wired up stuff. Composition? Maybe? I think it might be... Mise-en-scene? No. Not that. So what's up, Epio? Alright, well this is working. Oh, actually the other thing I want to test, if I test this, that's not good, it shouldn't do that. Oh yeah, we need to check if, okay. We should check if the thing is locked. So it's good that we have the locked thing. We don't actually need to call cancel binding in here, I'm pretty sure. But if button pressed and input mapper.is locked. Oh no, this is what I deleted, isn't it? Oh my god, it super is what I just deleted. Damn it. This is what you get when you try to, like, override the event chain of, like, UI events. Just saying. Do not weep for me, chat, for I do this to myself. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yeah, I think I just need that unfocused thing not in here, because all it's doing is just making the selector go away, so I can't move it with the arrow keys or the D-pad, or the controller. D-pad or otherwise. Oh, and then if I do this... Didn't quite work. Why is that still disabled? Oh... Crap. Okay. If not button pressed, call this code, and we gotta do that back up here before we check the lock, because we don't, if it's unpressed, we don't care if it's locked or not, just unlock it and set the text back to what it should be. Actually, I don't even know if I need this step either, although I've replaced that step from down here. I'm getting rid of this fucking thing. Hold on a second. Oh, I don't know how, I guess... That's the music when you lose in Mario Kart 64. Streamer I watch plays that song a lot, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Is this Bomberman? Oh, it's 180 snowboarding. Fuck yeah. A little break core action for you. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I need to... Alright, when we hit reset from default or whatever in the input mapper, we need to, awaiting input. False. The more I fix things in this scene, the more I just, like, feel like I'm hacking stuff together here. But it's working, somehow. Ooh. One weird thing that was happening that is not happening now is, the focus, like, the undo focus was only happening on the keyboard column, seemingly. Doesn't matter, I don't want that unfocus to happen, period, so I'm good with where it's at. Oh, no, wait, that's not what was happening. It's because it only does it when you actually do a legitimate binding, and my controller's on the ground, so I haven't been actually hitting controller bindings too frequently. Actually, I think this will work. Okay, I was worried that, like, specifically the joystick... I mean, I don't know why you'd want to, like, rebind the joystick for movement, but if you want to, go fucking nuts. I don't care. But the way that reading axes works input-wise for Godot, this actually probably will work. Unless it can't... There's potential that it'll, like, blow up because it can't read, like, partial values for buttons that are just on or off. Like, for example, if I were to set up to the X button. Or it'll work just fine. I don't know. Cool. Okay. I'm done fucking with the menu. think it's good. Now let me commit all that code right now. Right? Meow. Oh, I did change the scene because I changed the button text. The diff looks really nice though. Okay, yeah, we changed control remap buttons and input mapper as well. Fix the control binding scene. Oh wait, no, there's one more thing I want to throw in here. But so I can wave race. I knew it. How do you fucking focus on something in Godot? Godot, focus on control. I don't want the one that currently has focus. Yes, set focus from GD script. Close enough. Grab focus. Literally just doing this so that controller input works properly. There's so many frickin' flies in my basement, chat. It's actually ridiculous. Then we need to set that. Sure, I could probably just do like... but I have to go into like sub-objects. Yeah, no, this way is, I guess, more preferable. Forwards on the keyboard will be the initial focus. Hooray! I don't know if you can get out of this. Oh, wait, I can't even get into it. That's a problem. Am I getting errors? I'm not getting errors. Interesting. Oh, also, I don't really want that to spam a bunch of, notes when buttons get clicked. So that's all good, but the heck? What's happening here? Oh, wait, crap. I think I might know what's happening here. Yeah, I need to bind something for... Oh god, what is it called? There's like a special keyword that if you like have in your like bindings, it will set that button to like confirm the UI stuff. Which means I also need to update my default config file. It's all good. Damn it. Nothing's ever simple, chat. Making games is a horrible pain in the ass in the end. 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright. This can like barely opened, it's so bent. Can't even show you guys because these cans are all green, so they'll literally just get green screen out. I guess I can turn off my green screen, but... or the filter. Oh, right. I wanted to look up, Godot input map special keys. Get out of here, Google UI. Godot UI confirm. For fuck's sake. Okay, hold on. We're gonna open another Godot project. Ah. Ah. We'll open this guy. Why not? This ain't even my game, chat. This is just a template that I got for free. No, they overwrote everything. Or maybe they didn't. I don't know. Oh, it might be interact. It might legitimately be interact. I thought it was like UI underscore something though. Alright, you know, no, fuck all this. Let's make a new project in Godot. Because by default it has them in there. I don't know why I can't find it in the docs, but this will work. Man. Any day now. Not responding, cool. This is gonna crash all of my Godot instances, isn't it? Don't you love that, chat? Look at that. Can't be bothered. I'll never find the secrets of this. I could open Goon Man, because we didn't really change anything in Goon Man. Wait, where is Goon Man? Oh, I made that on a different PC! Damn it! I don't have it. I guess I could pull the code. Making a new project seems like the easier, quicker thing to do, except it's a super stable game engine that can't fucking run the new project button. Cool. What the fuck? Why is it stuck on this? Like, just load. Alright, I'm gonna clone the other repo and see what happens faster. Wait. It says it is. Oh, fuck. No, it's because I built that game on not Mono. I built it on the other... Well, hold on. I still have that installed, though. That's fine. We can just open that. It's not showing up because it's not the Mono version. Or the non-Mono version. Wait, no. This is Mono again. God damn it. Where the fuck... Yeah, no. I'm gonna guess it was 402, because I have the non-mono version of that. What an ordeal. No, it's showing the same list of stuff. Oh my god, I called it one-off base. It's okay, yeah, it's here. I got it. It's fine. But also it's on 4.1. I don't know why I have 4.0 at all, but... It's correct that it is in fact not mono, but I might still be able to open a non-mono game with mono. I don't know. I know I didn't touch any of this stuff when we did. This is the game we made in one stream. was gonna say one screen because the game is like technically one screen, but yeah, anyway, that's not, none of that's important. What's important is the input map. That's what I care about. Like, okay. I stand corrected. Fuck. Damn it. Maybe I am like just wrong about this, but I thought there's like an input map action you can name, and then that just will work as the thing that does stuff on the menu. Alright. Godot. Press UI button controller. Controlling UI with a gamepad. Don't mind doing a tutorial on this, that's fine. Oh, okay, there we go. UI left, UI right, UI up, UI down. The weird thing is, up, down, left, right are working anyway, so there's some like magic that's going on right now. Hold on, I'm gonna search that keyword. I just want a list of the fucking things. Godot, UI up. Input examples. UI accept is the button I'm looking for, I think. I just needed to do this, chat. Anyway, they're already here. You can't delete them, I'm pretty sure, which is fine. That's good. Hold up a second here. Holy crap, where is UI accept? This is like 10,000 things. Oh, it's at the top. God damn it. Joypad 0. Bottom action. It's not working though. Also, weirdly enough, enter is not working. I haven't tried keypad enter, but space does work. Z I'm not sure about. That's probably good that that's there. Okay, so I got all this stuff right. Cool. Lol. Yeah. Yeah. Actually a great decision to have these built-in things like just be like that. That's good, but at the same time, what the fuck? I wonder if it's because I have like another... No, that shouldn't matter though. Like, we have overriding things, but that's not... That shouldn't matter, because I mean, like the directional buttons are working just fine. Is there something like not loading in here that I'm just not getting? Oh, wait, yes. Yes, there is. It's because I need to update my fucking default controls. Okay, hold up. Yeah. It's very weird and also very good, by the way, that the stuff does not override what's set in your editor when you like change, because I'm changing this input map in my code when you're doing the controller binding, but because I saved my default controls before I set this stuff, I think it doesn't have that saved so that you can press like the buttons with the controller. It's my TLDR there. Anyway, all I gotta do is just go in here. Pardon me. Input mapper. I hope I still have this folder open. If not, we're gonna go hunting for some folders. Save, controls, config. Wait, no. This is Mario Party. Damn it, no, don't do that. We're gonna make an obsolete method here. Well, just like an extra method. What did I call this? Oh, controls, file, dir. Oh, right. Pokemon Snap. Did I say something else? Shit, I might have. You're right, by the way. No, I did. I said Mario Party 3. Or, I was thinking Mario Party 3. I think I just said Mario Party, though. We had a fucking song from Rocket Robot on Wheels coming up. What the fuck? That game was cool. This won't solve anything, but it will give me a new file. Cool. Alrighty. Default controls.config saved on 6/9/2024 at 9:25 p.m. That's right now. Alright, now I need to overwrite this default controls config file. I don't know what happens if I do this. Did that work? I actually don't know. Interesting. Oh, I need to delete my controls as well, because they are wrong now. This will also help us test that, which is good. Like, when you first boot up before you have a config file set, to make sure that it will create it properly. And I guess I've already tested that in getting this set up in the first place, but I did change the code that does that, so it should be okay, but, you know, it never hurts to double check, right? A little bit of Windows sounds for you, as a treat. Okay, I'm looking in my Explorer folder, and it looks like the default controls config file was in fact modified as of 1 minute ago. Probably good. Let's see what happens. Okay, can I press stuff? I can! Huzzah! Oh, and I can go out of stuff too, nice. I think that always was the case with the controller, but... Cool. It's fully usable by the controller. Okay, now we commit our code. What just opened? Oh, okay, never mind. I thought it finally loaded the, like, new project thing. Alright, and make sure to commit the config file. It already pulled that in. Good. Fixed all bugs on the control mapping scene. Updated default controls. Push that code. Put it in production, we're good to go. Okay. 2 more things I want to do. At a bare minimum. Okay, 3 more things I'd like to do tonight, overall. We'll see if we get to all of them. Number 1, I want to set up this page. I want to be able to get to this menu in the game. Number 2, and actually more importantly, I want to load the controller config in the game. I think probably player status, since that just loads once, would be the best, like, most appropriate time to do that. Yeah. Let's do that. Actually, having this exist, like, I think this is a two-bird situation. I think if I just have this menu exist somewhere in the game's UI, it will take care of that for me. Though this UI will exist under the player, so it's going to load every scene, or each scene that starts up, it will load this. I guess that's fine. It doesn't really take any time to run, but it's a bit silly, I suppose. Potentially could maybe map, if this does become like a performance concern, I could potentially map some of that stuff out to a what are they called? Preloads? The fuck are those things called? Auto loads. I never remember the name of those properly. This is Yoshi's story. Pretty obvious though. I want to play the, oh god. There's, what is it, Woolly World and Crafted World? Are there other Yoshi games that I'm forgetting that existed between, like, the Wii U to Switch era? Or is it just those two? Never played those games. I think I actually have them. Well, I have Yoshi's Crafted World. It might be the only Switch game I have that I've never played. I don't know if people like that one or not, but... The general consensus I heard is that they're, like, a little too babyish, which is sort of what happened... Well, it's not even what happened to Kirby. Kirby's always been that way. Except apparently the new one is, like... If you try to, like, 100% it, it's actually, like, pretty hard. I want to see that game. I definitely want to play Kirby in the Forgotten Realm. Alright, not the player inventory UI. We want to go to the pause UI. Let's add a new button here for our new menu. And this will actually, yeah, this will just be a sub-menu so we can, like, put it in there. Okay, cool. We don't really need state management between this and the other ones, which is cool. So we've got, like, our options menu, and that's its own scene already anyway. These two buttons do fuck all right now because they don't exist. The title screen doesn't exist. Actually, that's not true. The X button does in fact work. Why when you copy and paste it makes it a child of itself? That's so weird. Hey, I know that song. Controls is More human way to write that. We'll go with controls. I made a method for this. Wow. Chat, random question for y'all. What's your favorite Wes Anderson movie? Also, who and none, I hate him, are acceptable answers, I guess. Possum and I watched pardon me, the Darjeeling Limited for the first time for both of us yesterday. I quite liked it. I like pretty much all of his movies, though, to be fair. And I think I just have 2 more to watch now. No, wait, 3. Yeah. Rushmore. The new one, Asteroid City. And there's one in between those that I didn't even know it was like one of his movies that I haven't seen. Now that's driving me crazy. What is the last one? Wes Anderson. The French Dispatch. Yeah, I forgot. I didn't realize he made that. Oh, and that was a 2021 movie, yeah. My impromptu Wes Anderson tier list here. I don't like the Fantastic Mr. Fox. There, I said it. I have to let the Darjeeling Limited bake a little bit more because I really liked it, but also when I come off of a movie, like unless it was like a bad movie, I'm generally pretty favorable towards it. Grand Budapest Hotel has been my favorite for a while. Life Aquatic is also like, I don't know, they're fighting in my heart for favorite Wes Anderson movie. What is this music? What is this from? Jet Force Gemini? Really? Where? Soothing Rhythms. I doubt it's from the club area, but it could be. Huh. Where in the fucking game is this? maybe this is like multiplayer music only? Why did I name some of these with underscores and some not? You like the Boy Scout? Moonrise Kingdom? Yeah, that's a good one. Like I said, I'm pretty favorable towards all of his movies. I feel like me saying I don't like Fantastic Mr. Fox is just, like, bitter old man take. I liked Isle of Dogs, though, which is, like... So, okay, you're on my side with this. Like, I don't know. That's the only one I didn't really like that I watched. I hear Asteroid City is not great either, though, but I haven't seen it, so I'm not gonna come in with the opinion of, like, oh, I'm gonna hate this. Also, I hate myself for having some of these events with underscores and some not. Haven't seen the newer ones. I like Darjeeling too. That might be my new favorite now that I've seen it. It's been on my to-do list forever. But, I think I'd like that movie more if I had brothers. I think that's a large portion of the appeal to that movie in some way. I don't know. All those films are like... They're simultaneously very, like... human in like the way it presents itself, and also just like completely surreal at the same time. better follow-up question. I know I'm just talking. There's plenty of lurkers here, but also feel free to keep lurking. No need to participate. But what's the first Wes Anderson movie y'all have seen? Mine was The Royal Tenenbaums, and that movie's fine enough, but Darjeeling probably went over my head. Perhaps. Also, I'll give you some credit here. It's not like he's not like the deepest filmmaker that's ever existed. It's just there's themes to what he does. I don't know. Also, Royal Tenenbaums. Okay. To be fair, I guess you might be in the same boat as me because like it's before I was like into movies. Like when I was like a teenager, it was just on like not MTV, Comedy Central like a lot, or maybe it was Comedy Central, but some channel that would just play movies that had been out for a while. so I saw it like several times just randomly. I like it. I have nothing against the Royal Tenenbaums, but it's not his best work in my opinion. What do we want? On, not options pressed. What the hell am I looking for? Controls pressed. Oof. Ah, yeah. Okay, that actually makes sense why I have this set up this way. It's because this itself is not being called as an event. So I did actually have some consistency to this. On controls closed. Controls menu dot visible equals false. Options menu dot visible equals true. Default options menu dot grab focus. Yeah, buddy. You know, honestly, I've seen some of my like favorite movies by being just like dragged to them. Actually, yeah, even with Possum, like Possum's not even a big movie guy, and she's like, "What the fuck did we see?" Sorry to bother you. That's a weird movie. It's definitely not like my favorite movie ever, but like, I never would have gone to see that. Actually, I kind of. If I had found out about it on my own, I definitely would have gone to see it because the lead actor, Lakeith Stanfield, at least at the time, when that movie came out, I was like, oh, I love that guy. He's great in Atlanta. And then he was also in Get Out as well. I mean, he's got a small part. He's like at the beginning, and he's the guy that says the line. He's the guy that says, "Get out, get out." That makes Get Out sound so much dumber than it is. I'm leaving it at that though. Oh wait. Oh my god, I did this so backwards. Pause menu dot visible. It's false. Oh, okay, so I actually shouldn't grab focus. Yeah, we need to rework that a little bit. Chat, this sounded familiar to me. And it is for the weirdest reason. I mean, I've played this game before. I played it on stream, actually. It's the Mischief Makers, like, is this the title screen or the, yeah, no, it's like the prologue. But I recently watched somebody start playing that game. And I was like, what? Hold on, what is this? I heard this recently, but it's also like what N64 game could possibly be making this music here? Okay, so what we need to do is we'll make a method called onVisible. Export private control, no, input mapper. This is Glover. I know that much. I've played enough fucking Glover in my life to know this is Glover. Wait, oh, we don't want input mapper though, do we? We want... Aw, man. I'm gonna need to make another, like, blank-ass fucking script just for the sake of... Ugh. Damn it. Well, so be it. another previous relationship. Never would have even thought to go to this movie. Didn't know what the fuck it was. Actually, I guess I vaguely did because I knew about the Flight of the Conchords guys, but What We Do in the Shadows, the movie. Absolutely love that movie. I've watched it like 5 times, I'm pretty sure at this point. This might not sound like a lot, but I don't really rewatch stuff. At least in terms of movies. Okay, I need to make a thing here. So we got our controls set up. That's fine. Then we need a control menu UI. We need to put it here because this is like the overall thing that we need to like show and hide. And then this will have a reference to this, I guess, because I'll need to like pipe the calls forward to actually like make stuff happen. This is a little bit jank. The booze is flowing through me. What was this type called? Controls, menu, UI. And I may not be writing the best code right now, I guess is the reason I brought that up. I'm sure I'd like What We Do in the Shadows too. I also love the TV show. I remember earlier, resident Mr. Goon Watcher D314 made a comment like, "Oh yeah, I think that's better than the movie." And I'm like, I like the TV show a lot, but I don't agree. But he said that back in like season 1. I think that statement has become true now that we're like 3 seasons in, or how many ever seasons it is right now. I stand by my stance at the time, but also now I think I do prefer the show. I think the show has become something more, which is cool. Love Matt Prushk. He's on the show. I can't remember if he's in the show or not. I know, oh god, what is the one British guy that's in like everything? He's one of the main characters in the show. He's not in the movie. They have a couple people that like carry over between the two of them, but not too many, if I recall correctly. I don't know. I think like that show and like that show's like the prime example of like ultra targeting marketing. like I feel like it's just like got that like attitude that like just is perfect for like your average millennial. Much in the way that Sorry to Bother You is. Not Sorry to Bother You, sorry. I Think You Should Leave. I don't know. Those two things are very different. But yeah. The fucking like humor and I Think You Should Leave is like ultra precision laser focused at like millennial audiences. Tell me I'm wrong right now. The fuck was I doing? Oh yeah, this. Okay. So, we have this on visible. Oh, I need to export. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Ping as usual, I see. What's up, man? I forgot my conventions. 1 second. What do I usually set these as? Underscore, okay. Everything you just said is, I've been meaning to watch that for like 5 years. Epio, how have you not watched Sorry to Bother You? You would love it. You specifically would love that show. There's no way. I'm posting a clip in chat right now. I keep typing sorry to bother you, not sorry. God, fucking goddamn it. I think you should leave. Actually, no, not this one. This one's great, but I think you'll like this one more. Dash stream, let's get it. This is not a Four Loko Gold. This is a delicious IPA. Not just saying that, it's literally called Delicious IPA. It's from Stone Brewery. It's green. It's getting green screened out as I hold up the camera. My stream topic is still Shipwreck 64. No, it isn't. But it's not, though, is the problem. My stream topic. What is my stream topic? Like category? You mean category, right? Okay. Like, what is a stream topic? Is that new? Anyway. We're done with that game. We got all the achievements. We're done with it. Love that game. That was great. We finished it, though. Okay, yeah. Twitch is like that sometimes. I get it. Okay, the thing is, I very frequently forget to set my, like update my go live notification, so it'll just, like, when you get pinged or whatever, if you have notifications on, it'll just say the wrong thing. And that's my bad. But I'm pretty sure I usually keep my category up to date. Also, fuck, well, I shouldn't even need to look at this, but what the fuck was that song that was just playing? I know it so well, and yet... Diddy Kong Racing, You get attached to you. And click the hammer, rebuild it. Pardon me. Little burp action. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh, I didn't do something correctly. What's happening? Why? What's wrong? What the fuck? Parameter common parent is null. Huh? Oh, okay, well... Whatever. I don't know what that is, but that's not related to what's going on. Okay. So we pass our input mapper in here. Just keep passing this through. Wait. Oh, pardon me. You son of a bitch. Why did it do that? That's so weird. Take that grab focus out of there. We're also not even going to null check it. Don't care. I would rather this blow up if that's... Is this Wave Race? No, it's not. It's Snowboard Kids. Damn it. Should have known. I should have known, chat. It's one of my favorite racing games of all time. But I'm also not a fan of racing games, so... Take that with a grain of salt, I guess. Great soundtrack, though. Irrefutable. Cool, okay. So, in theory, this menu should now work. Also, if I update said menu, it should update the controls. Let's see if any of that is correct. Oh. I never set the thing. Why did that not throw a null reference? What the fuck? Oh, I did set the thing. Wait, what? How? No, I didn't set the thing. Fuck. Why does that not throw an error? Whatever, I don't care. I know why it's wrong, so I can just fix that. File system. Prefabs, I think? Bada bing. Now it will just magically work. No, wait, it's visible by default. It's not good. Oh, look at that, chat. Amazing visuals. Alright. Not visible by default. Boom. What video game is this from, chat? Quizzing you. It's hilarious. Why can't I open this? Oh, I didn't find the event. That's why I didn't error. Also, it's calling title screen, probably. Yeah, it totally is. Or on exit to main menu. Can I just change this? Yeah, edit. You... There we go. Thank you for opening the script that I've already set up. Bazinga, chat. Oh wait, the back button doesn't work. No. Wait, do any of these buttons work? Oh no, why not? They work this way. They just don't work by clicking on them. Why is that? Why is that? It's offensive towards people who carry dice in their pockets, right? Leave the fucking dice alone. Love that show. So something is in front of these things and I don't know what. If I swap these two, am I suddenly gonna be able to click the stuff? Because the other menuing is working. This is very weird. No, it's still not like working. Also, I need to open that back button up. How do I do that? Oh yeah, same way I do it everywhere else. So we'll need a reference to the pause screen UI on the controls menu UI. That's fine. Wait. No. Chat, I'm gonna go out on a long one here. I think this might actually be from Ogre Battle 64. I'm looking it up before it goes away. Harvest Moon. Fuck! I think we're gonna end up playing that on stream. I saw it on screen because I was looking at the Harvest Moon thing, but I knew this was Perfect Dark. By the way, I don't know if there's any Perfect Dark fans in the chat. They announced a new Perfect Dark game today. I am cautiously excited. I love Perfect Dark. It's one of my favorite shooters of all time. Better than GoldenEye. There, I said it. Perfect Dark Zero is a fucking trash heap. but also Rare is not even working on the new one, so... The new one kind of looks like they took the newer Tomb Raider mechanics and then made it a cyberpunk shooter instead of a, like, whatever the hell you'd call the newer Tomb Raiders. Now, I've gone on record in saying that Tomb Raider 2012 is, like, one of my least favorite games of all time. Or at least least favorite, like, AAA games of all time. So, that probably should be a huge cause for concern for myself. Point is, I bought Perfect Dark Zero the day it came out. I'm gonna wait on this one. I've already been burned on this franchise. I hope it's good, though. Okay, so now in here... Huh? Oh, wrong one. Damn it. Dude, why does it immediately change? What the fuck? This is the one thing you used to be better than Unity at, Godot. What are you doing? What the fuck? Okay, so now we have a reference to this. Oh, right, so we want a thing we can bind into here. On back clicked. On screen UI dot on controls closed. Simple as that. That's the easy part. Then we gotta bind up that method. It'll build just so we can pick it out of a list instead of having to type it in manually. Wrong thing selected. We want pressed. I think we want pressed. That's fine. This is Mario Golf, I think. I got it. I think we're at like 50%. If anyone feels like it, feel free to tally me on how many of these I've gotten right and wrong. I know I haven't said anything for like a lot of the songs, but the ones I have. I know we got Pokemon Snap wrong. I called that Mario Party. I know I've got other ones wrong also. Snowboard Kids I got wrong. I thought it was, Oh, I missed a Goemon song? Fuck. Listen to that soundtrack all the goddamn time. We got Glover. I'm tallying myself right now. Dare Docs, it's like, I don't even count that as too easy. Oh, there's been two Goemon songs, what the fuck? Zelda, I got that. There was an Ogre Battle 64 song in here. I missed it. It was a short one, though. We got Bomberman. We got the... Okay, well, I guess I didn't say it. I kind of, like, said it without saying it. The Astral Observatory from Majora's Mask. And that played. I missed the Mega Man 64 song. I didn't even say anything one way or the other. I just did notice that. Castlevania 64. Yeah, I guess I was just in the zone when this was happening. The Zora's Domain. That's when I went to adjust the volume, I think. Might as well just uninstall my channel right now, chat. I missed a fucking Resident Evil 2 song. DKI, we skipped that song, because I was like, I hate DK64 music. I got that one, right? Smash Bros. I didn't call it one way or the other, but I was like, what the fuck is this music? And I was like, Smash Bros? Did I read that wrong? I was so confused by that. Okay, there was a Bomberman Hero song, but I did not call that out. I called out something else. It was, yeah, 1080 snowboarding. I called that Bomberman Hero, so it's another one down that I did wrong. Didn't mention Super Mario 64 or Select Screen and Star Fox. Apparently the Load Runner 3D was on here too, but fuck that game. Oh yeah, Mario Kart 64 I was also very confused about. Again, I didn't call it wrong, but I was like, what is this from? Now we're back to everything. Okay, yeah. Anyway. Enough of me rambling about nonsense. Alright, so we got that wired up. Good to go on that front. Can't click stuff. God damn it. But I can go back that way. Something went wrong. It didn't refocus the buttons. Why? Oh, fuck. Hold on. I think I know why. Why? No, that's bad. This should, like... Oh, no, yeah, no, that's wrong. That's so wrong. You know what, actually? Hold on. How many times does this code get fucking reused? At least twice. I know that much. And there'll probably be more than that by the time we're done with all this. Actually, fuck it. Let's even do this too. Oh, shit. That's the wrong spot right there. Okay. Cool. Jeez. Oh, by the way, this does scale correct. Well, it works. I wouldn't say it's, like, perfect, but... Huzzah! Okay, in the options menu, can I click on stuff? I can't. What is in my way that I can't click on this? So if I open these individual menus, it will work. I'm pretty sure. What is, like, blocking me here? Ah. Is there, like, something in the, like, pause UI that's just, like, over everything else? Alright, let's take away this, right? Like, get rid of that. Is this still in the way? I guess if it's, like, visible, but not, yeah, that doesn't actually, like, make it go away, right? Here, let me commit this code, then we'll figure out this bug. Alright, so that was an update to the controls scene, it was an update to the pause UI scene, it's an update to the controls menu UI script, oh, that's a new one. The input mapper script, because it's got the on-visible, and then the pause screen UI script to handle the events. But nothing else. Okay, cool. Added controls, binding, UI to pause menu. Ba-ba-boom. Okay, so... chat. I'll be back in a second, and we will figure out what is going on with this menu. Yeah, BRB. Alrighty. Yeah. Let's see if we can figure this out. So, no, I can't click on stuff here either. What the heck? Why? Is there something I'm explicitly doing to, like, stop the fucking, like, mouse from working in these menus? I doubt it. But, like, I don't know. Chat, we're nearly at the end of this soundtrack here. Or this collection of soundtracks here. Alright. Let's go individually check on stuff here. Let's go to our pause screen UI. Play just that scene. See if we can click on stuff. Let's go this one layer at a time, you know? I click on stuff. What the heck? Alright. So it could be the player, right? This is gonna break horribly, but play current scene. Bunch of errors. Okay, I can't click on this already, so it's something in the player. Why? What? Who? Where? Alright, what if I move the pause UI up? I can't remember if stuff that goes up is higher or lower in the hierarchy of Godot. Still can't click it. The hell? Okay, what about this though? Move it to the bottom of everything. Absolute bottom. Oh my god, what if the debug UI was like fucking me up here? That'd be messed up. Oh, we can click stuff now. What the fuck? Now, okay, here's a little test. If I put you above the debug UI, is it actually the debug UI? Oh my god, it probably is, because that fucking... that's just like a thing covering everything. Oh my god. Alright. Debug UI, you go to the top. Apparently it's top to bottom as far as, also just hide yourself, because I don't need you right now. Apparently it's, like, bottom to top in terms of, like, what you can click on. Okay, cool. Another bug fix, chat. Let's, commit that code. That would be the player scene and nothing else. Fix not being able to click on menu elements. Pause menu elements. Pause on menu buttons. Whatever, fuck it. Push that. Also, I didn't push the last thing I committed, but now they're both pushed. Cool. Alright, so we got our UI. Now, the last thing I want to make sure that I got working before we move on is, can you actually rebind controls and will it take effect? So let's do that. So let's rebind the action button to the right trigger for the controller here. And we'll make it the H key, why not? Now did that change? Use the controller first. Okay. The right trigger did in fact pick that item up. The A button or the X button's not picking it up. And likewise, if I press Z, does not pick it up. H does. Nope, wrong button. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's even part of it, huh? Okay, so H for action. It's working on every level right now. Can't shoot with Z. Press H, it does shoot. Likewise, controller. Can't shoot with X. Shoots with that button, though. Oh, you can keep shooting after you have no ammo? What the fuck? Does it reload? Oh, it does reload, but it's instantaneous. What? That's kind of janky, but it does work, I guess. Cool. More importantly, if I were to reload right now, would I have the default controls or the rebound controls? The rebound controls it is! Boom, baby! Awesome. Okay, well that takes care of both of those things. Like I said, because the UI is now under our thing, like the init's getting called that's like loading our controls config as we're doing this, so that's perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, bugs. Let me look at the bug list really quick. There was something with the item box I wanted to fix. Oh, there's several item bug boxes actually. Chaser calls NV map before it's initialized for 2 frames. That's bad, but I don't care right now. Can pause while the inventory is open. I don't even think that's true anymore, is it? I think I fixed that. Nope, never mind. That should be a quick fix, I think. Sometimes keyboard movements jittery when controller's plugged in. May just be an editor, maybe another dead zone issue. That, I'm pretty sure that's not like a real bug. I think that's like a thing where like my controller just gives like nonsense input sometimes. Like it's my controller's problem, because I have that with like regular games sometimes where just like the game's like not working. I have to like unplug and plug my controller back in. After unlocking and re-entering room door... Wait. I think this is not a bug anymore. After unlocking door and re-entering, the room door is still locked. That's not a thing. I don't know which of the 2 doors I'm talking about right now, but let me go check both of them. Fuck. Okay, hold on, let me set the controls back. That's not the right menu. There we go. Code is unlocked. This door should be locked. It is. This door shouldn't be locked now. It's not. Now I go back. And that door is still locked. This door is not locked. Alright, let me get the big key. What game is this from? Star Soldier, Vanishing Earth. I have no idea what that is, chat. Alright, we'll do it this way where we use the item on the door. I unlocked it. Cool. I'm gonna go back. Still unlocked. What about the other door? Did that somehow get unlocked or something? Relocked, if you will? Yeah, I think we fixed this at some point, and I just never marked it off the bug list there. Yeah, that's not a bug anymore. However, the being able to pause while your inventory is open is a bug. Let's fix that one. I don't even know what does this. Oh wait, on pause menu open. That should take me where I'm gonna. Okay, player. If players pause, unpause. Oh, that's probably also a bug. So let me check this out. Oh, that was the last song also. This will do. Let me try this out. So if I just press the pause button, it should just close the pause menu, which is what I want. But if I'm in the controls, right? Yeah, it'll take me back here, which I don't want that. Um, oh. Wow, this is kind of janky, but I think this is actually probably the best way to do this. What am I not returning true? What the fuck? What do I do with that information? Oh, it just goes back one layer. Okay, that's actually good. I'm glad I caught that. That way you can press enter to just go back and back. Okay, that's not bad. I like that. That thing that I made myself. So we're in the controls menu, I press enter to go back to the main menu, then I go back. Now we're no longer in there, so we go. Okay, cool. Cool. Not perfect, but it'll do. Okay. Wait, I already have a can pause method. Why am I not calling it, though? Yeah, so if you're not in a cutscene, the menu is not already opened, the item box isn't opened. What the fuck? You should also have player inventory opened. Oh, it's like has met. What? I guess also that one. What are all the fucking flags on this goddamn thing? Menu opened. Reading. Oh, that's... Well, wait, no, what the fuck is menu open? What? Alright, has any UI opened is probably good. Can pause. Has any UI opened? If you're not in a cutscene, if you're live... I guess it's check if you're paused or not, right? Like... When the fuck do I set menu opens? I don't think I set this. Oh, the save menu. Well, that's not the same thing. No, wait, this should be it, right? Oh, I'm just not checking it. Oh my god. We just weren't checking it. God damn it. Well, I don't even need to check this, because that's already covered, right? Yeah, if action pressed, pause. If you're already paused, do the on pause closed. Cool. Otherwise, if you can pause, you're paused, I guess. I don't know. It's weird. This is like a solved problem that I broke somehow. This is fucking weird. Alright, can still pause. Can't pause now. Can't pause now. Pausing there just doesn't pause, it just makes the cutscene skip, which is what I want. Cool. Okay, well that's good. What did I fix? Oh yeah, those are two separate things. I guess I'll make two separate commits for him. Okay, so this one is fix pressing pause button in controls menu. And then these two are just fix disallowing player to pause while another menu is open. Sweet. Perfect. Chat. There were several other things I wanted to get to tonight. And there is time. The night is not that late yet. But I think that's where we're gonna call game dev for the night. I'm melting away in my green screen. Fun times. I'm gonna leave it there because things are working and I don't want to break them any further. We still need to make a like main menu UI, but that's actually really not that necessary till I start having like actual content of the game that you're gonna like load into and stuff. We got our controller rebindings actually wired up to stuff and fixed a bunch of bugs with this menu as well, which is cool. And also just the pause menu in general, which apparently had some issues with it after I added that debug menu. So yeah, the other thing I was gonna work on was like the item box has a couple bugs with it that we need to go fix. Also, I need to go erase this bug. I don't have just fixed it, so no big deal anymore there. Cool. I'm gonna mark that other bug as like it's not an actual bug because I think that's just my controller being weird. Yeah, oh yeah, that's what it is. Like changing the ammo stacks is like weird as well in the item boxes. That was the main thing I was gonna focus on, but there's actually a bunch of item box bugs. So maybe next time we'll fuck with the item box and figure out what's going on there. But yeah, stream is not ending yet. I think we're gonna switch gears and play a little game. Having said that, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna get some more water, and yeah, be right back, and we'll play some undisclosed game. But yeah, GG's on game dev for the night.